Ever wondered how to make your own Christmas crackers? Welcome to the joy of do-it-yourself, where we're elevating the festive cheer with the charm of homemade Christmas crackers. Imagine adding your personal touch to each cracker, making them not only cost-effective, but also a reflection of your creativity. It's about the thrill of crafting, the anticipation of the popping sound, and the surprise inside that's tailored just for your loved ones. So, buckle up because stay tuned as we're about to unravel the mystery of making your own Christmas crackers. Before we dive into crafting, we need to gather a few essential materials. First on our list is the humble cardboard tube. You know, the kind you find at the center of your kitchen roll or toilet paper. A bit of recycling never hurt anyone, right? Next, you'll need some festive wrapping paper. Choose a design that tickles your Christmas spirit. It's all about creating that holiday cheer. For the traditional cracker pop, we need cracker snaps. You can easily find these online or at your local craft store. Then we have the ribbon. Opt for a color that complements your wrapping paper. This will be used to tie the ends of our cracker. Finally, the heart of the cracker. Small gifts, jokes, or even confetti to put inside. Make it personal and fun. You're only limited by the size of your cardboard tube. With all these items at hand, we're now ready to embark on our cracker-making journey. Now the real fun begins. It's crafting time. First things first, let's cut our wrapping paper. You'll want to cut it into a rectangle about 3 times the length of your cardboard tube and wide enough to wrap around the tube with a bit of overlap. This will ensure our cracker has the perfect shape and size. Now we're going to attach the cracker snap. This little strip of cardboard and paper will give our cracker that satisfying pop when pulled. Gently place it inside the tube, letting it stick out evenly on both ends. A bit of tape will keep it from sliding around. With the snap in place, it's time to fill our cracker. You can put anything you want inside, a small toy, a joke or riddle, or even a sweet treat. Just remember, it needs to fit inside the tube and shouldn't be too heavy. Once you've filled your cracker, it's time to wrap it up. Take your cut piece of wrapping paper and roll it around the tube, making sure that the ends of the snap are covered. Secure it with some adhesive, but be gentle. We don't want to rip the paper. All right, we're almost there. It's time to give our cracker its iconic shape. Find the point where the cracker snap meets the tube and gently pinch the paper inwards, creating a narrow waist. Then secure this with a piece of ribbon, tying it into a lovely bow. Repeat this on the other end, and there you have it. You've just crafted a beautiful homemade Christmas cracker, but don't rush off just yet. We've got a few finishing touches to add to really make your cracker stand out. Voila, you've just made your first Christmas cracker, but wait, there's more. A final flourish can make your Christmas cracker truly stand out. It's all about adding that personal touch. Variety, they say, is the spice of life, and the same goes for your crackers. Experiment with different types of wrapping paper. Bold, glossy patterns can make a statement, while a subtle matte finish might suit a more understated aesthetic. It's your cracker, your call. Adding bows or tags can also elevate your creation. A festive red bow at the top or a gold tag dangling at the end might be just the extra sparkle your cracker needs. If you're feeling particularly crafty, why not try your hand at origami bows or homemade gift tags? Personalizing your crackers with names is the cherry on top. Not only does it make your gift more special, but it also ensures everyone gets their own little surprise. And there you have it, your own personalized Christmas cracker ready to spread joy and surprises. Let's quickly recap the process. We've discovered the charm of homemade Christmas crackers, gathered our materials, crafted the cracker, and added the finishing touches. The journey started with a simple idea and ended with a beautiful, personalized Christmas cracker. Remember, the best thing about making your own Christmas crackers is the love and thoughtfulness you put into each one. Happy crafting and have a Merry Christmas.